This is nicotine, a chemical rooted from tobacco that's so good at messing with brains it got humans addicted for centuries. It's in cigarettes, vapes, patches, and pouches. Nicotine is a molecule made by the tobacco plant to fight off bugs, but it also happens to be perfectly designed to trick the human brain into feeling happy. That's why it's so addictive. Nicotine's molecular formula contains 10 carbon, 14 hydrogen, and 2 nitrogen atoms. The nicotine molecule contains a methyl group attached to the nitrogen atom. In the brain, nicotine mimics acetylcholine and binds to its respective receptor sites. This causes an increase in dopamine, leading to increased happiness. You may be wondering, how was it found? Well, back in the 1800s, this guy and this guy, two German chemists, isolated nicotine in tobacco plants, and they initially considered nicotine to be a poison. However, nicotine isn't all evil. It's just a molecule, one that naturally occurs in tobacco plants. But once nicotine companies realized how powerful and addictive it was, everything changed. They saw an opportunity to turn a plant into a profit machine. Companies like Philip Morris International, the makers of Marlboro and other popular brands, engineered products to deliver nicotine more effectively, increasing the chances that users would become more dependent. Scientists and doctors at the time raised the alarm about nicotine addiction and its links to deadly diseases like cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Big tobacco companies launched massive PR campaigns to deny or downplay the risk. They spent millions of dollars on advertising, even targeting young people, all while suppressing research and protecting their profits. As a result, millions of people around the world got hooked. Many never had a real chance to understand what they were getting into. You may be wondering, why does it still matter? Well, nicotine's story isn't just one of addiction. It's also a story of science, medicine, and public policy. While it's known for its harmful impact when used in cigarettes and vapes, some scientists are now exploring how nicotine might actually help treat certain brain conditions. Research is being done to see if it could have potential benefits to prevent or help diseases like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's, where brain cells are damaged or communication breaks down. It's not a miracle cure, but it shows how the chemical has a complex effect, both harmful and potentially helpful. Because of its dangers, nicotine is tightly regulated, especially in places like California. You must be 21 years or older to buy any nicotine products unless it's prescribed by a doctor. And in recent years, flavored nicotine products, especially those found in vapes, have been banned because they're so appealing to young people. These rules are meant to protect the public health, especially for teens who are more vulnerable to addiction and long-term brain changes. So next time you hear about nicotine, remember, it's not just a buzzword. It's a super sneaky molecule with a wild backstory, and thanks to science, we're finally figuring it out. Thank you.